Hey, how you going there? It's Anthony here, and I just wanted to very quickly show you how you could actually go through and make an appointment with us. Now, we're going to share the link a little bit more directly than where you're seeing here. But myself, we can be looking at a strategy session, and with Lara, you can actually be looking at booking some work hours. So as our team expands here, you'll see that there's more people, and we'll start to identify them as how they can actually help you. But let's go and use myself here for the example. I'll quickly click off, and we've set up the calendar in our back end, and you can come through here. I'm going to actually make this a little bit more user friendly by having dots on here or green color buttons, whereas you can see here it's not actually predominant as much, but you can click on here quite easily and simply follow that through, fill in your name and details and what have you there as well. And we've already got it set up at the local time zone for myself as well. So let's just go through that. We'll just put a quick number in here, and you might even what I'll call not necessarily give us the right phone number either, but we're going to have to try and catch up on Skype or WhatsApp or any of those favourite social media connections and way we can do it. So we'll share that on an email as it comes out straight after here. And let's just quickly fill this one in and see where she goes to next time. So we'll confirm that. Okay, so there's our booking, and you should start to automatically receive an email from there as well. All right, well, here's to your success as always, and we'll look forward to talking to you soon. Take care for now. Bye.